You have the Motorola. This is the Moto G Power 5G from 2023. Easy to identify on the back. It's got the 50 megapixel camera system here. And you hate that when you go to power it off, it brings up a Google Assistant. So you want it to, you want to push it and you want it to bring up the power menu. So let's fix that. We fix that by going to settings, touch settings. Inside settings, scroll a little ways down until you see gestures. Touch gestures. Inside gestures, you're going to see press and hold power button, press and hold for assistant. Touch that, and you'll be able to read here through my broken screen. Hold for assistant, press and hold for the assistant, and if you toggle that off, it now says press and hold for the power menu. Let's go back to home. So we've toggled it off now. Go back home, and now when you push the power button, your power menu comes up. And that's how you change your power button so that your power menu comes up and the Google Assistant does not. Hey, if this has helped you, please like, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hey, and if you want to see how to make your Moto G Power 5G from 2023 run faster, watch this video right here next.